Hey kids, do you love cats? Today, we'll learn how to read with our furry friends. Let's start with vowel and consonant words. Meet Whiskers the cat. Whiskers loves vowels. Can you say cat? The E in cat is a vowel. Great job. Now, let's meet Fluffy. Fluffy knows a lot about consonants. In cat, C and T are consonants. Can you say cat again? Wow, you're doing amazing. Let's find more vowel words with Whiskers. How about cake? Can you spot the vowel in cake? That's right. The E in cake is a vowel. Now, let's try another word. How about kite? What's the vowel in kite? Yes, it's the I. Great job. Now, Fluffy will help us with consonants again. In cake, what are the consonants? Perfect. The consonants are C, K, and E. How about kite? What consonants can you find in kite? Awesome! K, T, and E are the consonants in kite. You're doing so well. Let's move on to more words. Whiskers loves the word apple. Can you find the vowels in apple? There are two of them. Yes, the vowels are an E in apple. Now, let's ask Fluffy to help us find the consonants in apple. Great job! P, and L are the consonants in apple. Let's try a new word. How about dog? Whiskers says the vowel in dog is O. Can you say dog and find the consonant sounds with Fluffy? Exactly. The consonants in dog are D and G. You are becoming a reading expert with Whiskers and Fluffy. Let's practice with the word orange. Can you find the vowels in orange? There are three vowels. Correct. The vowels are O and E in orange. Now, let's find the consonants with Fluffy. Super! The consonants in orange are R, N, and G. How about cat again? Can you find the vowel? Yes, the vowel is A in cat, and the consonants are C and T. Let's try a longer word with Whiskers and Fluffy. Whiskers loves umbrella. Can you spot the vowels in umbrella? There are three vowels here too. Bravo! The vowels are U, E, and A in umbrella. Can you find the consonants with Fluffy now? Fantastic! The consonants are M, B, R, L, and L. You are doing a terrific job. Let's do one more together. Whiskers says elephant is a fun word. Can you find the vowels in elephant? There are three vowels. Awesome! The vowels are E, and A in elephant. Now, Fluffy will help us with the consonants. Great! The consonants in elephant are L, P, H, N, and T. You are mastering vowels and consonants. Let's review quickly. Vowels can be A, E, I, O, and U. Consonants are all the other letters. With Whiskers and Fluffy, we learned that cat has one vowel and two consonants. How about dog? Right. Dog has one vowel and two consonants. Apple has two vowels and three consonants. You're amazing. Remember, vowels and consonants are everywhere in our words. Practice with your favorite words at home. Whiskers and Fluffy are so proud of you. Keep practicing and you'll be a reading superstar in no time. Thanks for joining Whiskers and Fluffy on this reading adventure. Keep reading and discovering new words. See you next time with more fun and learning. Bye for now, from Whiskers, Fluffy, and all your cat friends.